Hello, it's Christian with Onyx. Airplay 2 is a significant upgrade for Apple's Airplay. Here's a quick hands-on with the new music features. Using Apple TVs, HomePods, and other Airplay 2 adapters, you can have a great whole home music experience. Open the music app on your phone, start some music, and hit the track that's currently selected. Hit the Airplay icon, and then check the rooms that you want to be included. You can control the volume of each room or all the rooms together. You can remove individual rooms or all of them at once. If you're playing music from a different app, you can always open Control Center by either swiping down from the top right corner of an iPhone 10 or newer, or swipe up from the bottom of the center of the screen of an iPhone 8 or below. Tap the section showing the music that's playing to reveal the Airplay 2 controls. Thanks, and have a great day.